Entire Assam, entire Northeast, perhaps entire Eastern India is mourning at the death of musical heartthrob Zubeen Garg. We are at his residence. You can see here a sea of humanity here. People, his followers, his fans, everybody here. People are crying, people are sad, people cannot express their emotions at this sudden loss of somebody who is so close to their heart. The main entrance you can see here, his family is upstairs, completely devastated. Here people, his supporters, completely sad. They can't express what they are going through at this moment. Zubeen Garg, who had gone to Singapore to perform at the Northeast Festival, he lost his life in a rather freak accident when he went there to actually, he was there at the seaside for a freak adventure. There are so many people here, but you can see here the loss that Assam has gone through today is perhaps cannot be expressed in words. Everybody here, hundreds of people, artists, common people, they all have anecdotes. They all have memories to share. We have a lot of people here. Ankur,
but I can't say anything.
if you can, he's from your town, Jorhat.
Yeah.
If you can share some anecdote. Me as a journalist, I have several
A lot
anecdotes.
of memories with him.
Yeah,
Okay?
if
But
you
I am
can share
this
your-
moment my mindset is not good. That's why I'm not telling
At
you.
this moment here, people are unable to express what they have lost today, what Assam has lost today. Completely shocked. The family is devastated. His mortal remains will be brought. You can see here a youngster. She's crying. She is unconsolable. The loss is perhaps something which cannot be described in words. आपसे थोड़ा बात करेंगे. बहुत दूर दूर से अब लोग आ रहे हैं. जुबिन गर्ग असम के लिए एक इमोशन थे. शब्दों में बयां करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. मेरे लिए भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है एज अ जर्नलिस्ट. मैंने उनका बहुत बार इंटरव्यू किया है. कि आप किस तरह से उनको देखते थे?
He was a God-gifted star. Simple word. He was a God-gifted star. Zubeen is a institute. There is no word to describe him. He is a God-gifted star. Just one line. Thank you.
A God-gifted star. Definitely that he was somebody. It was perhaps not his age to go, 52 years of age. He was born in a family where his father was, apart from a government of Assam officer, a retired government of Assam officer, he was a poet of repute. His mother, who is no more, was a singer. It was from his mother that he first learned the basics of music, and then from his first album Anamika, there was no looking back for Zubeen Garg. He went to Bollywood, he struggled, but then with Ya Ali, he became a household name in India. And then there were several hits before he came back to Assam to compose songs, to not only compose songs, but he was an actor, he was a director, he was a producer, he produced movies. And he was a voice which was unmatched in terms of his presence, not only in Assam, but in several other regional languages, particularly in Bengali. He has several hits in the Bengali film industry, in Tollywood. So therefore, you can see the sea of humanity here. They're shocked because of the kind of loss that Assam has gone through. Perhaps can't be expressed in words. From young to old, you can see here this people, everybody here, nobody wants to speak when the camera comes in, because perhaps the emotional connect that they had with Zubeen Garg was something which perhaps his followers, his fan, and only him can explain. And therefore, perhaps Assam has today lost the voice which gave voice to the voiceless. With camp person Sanjay Chakravarti in Guwahati, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.